very good morning to all of you, my dear kids. I hope you all are fine. Today we will move to the new lesson, that is addition. All of you know what is addition. In last class you did the addition, adding, combining, counting together. The sign for addition is plus. Okay. Today we will arrange the given numbers in columns and we will add the numbers. Here 52 and 35, we have arranged these numbers in columns and now we will add. 2 plus 5, how much? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Okay. Next 5 plus 3. How much 5 plus 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By putting the lines, you add easily. Okay, next we'll move on to this. Here there are 3 numbers. 3 digits are given in each side. So we have arranged the columns. Ones column, tens column and hundreds column. Now we will add it. 8 plus 1 how much? That is 9. 3 plus 6 is also 9. 4 plus 3, that is 7. The answer is 799. By drawing like this lines, you can add. Next, again here there are 3 digits in each side. We have arranged the columns with the place value. Now 5 plus 3, how much? That is 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay, like this we arrange the numbers in columns. Next we will move on to the activity 2. That is adding 4 digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means we have to simply add these 4 digit numbers. Now we will add. 4 plus 1 how much? That is 5. 3 plus 4. How much? 3 plus 4? 7. 2 plus 3, that is 5. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Remember that while adding or subtracting, you should start from the left to right. Starting from the ones place to thousands place, we have to add. Okay, never add from right to left. Always add or subtract or multiply by left to right. Next sum. 3 plus 3, how much? How much 3 plus 3? That is 6. 5 plus 2, good, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, that is 7. Like this simply we will add the 4 digit numbers without regrouping. Next we will move to the another activity. Now in activity 3, adding 4 digit numbers with regrouping. In the last activity we did without regrouping. So we will add with regrouping. How to add by regrouping? That is first step 1, add the ones. Add the ones. That is we have to add the numbers in the ones place. What are the numbers in the ones place here? That is 7 and 4. 7 plus 4, that is equal to how much? 7 plus 4, that is 11. Now write 11 here, 1 here and carry over 1 to tens place. Next step 2, add tens. Okay, add tens. How many numbers are there in a tens place? 1, 3 and 2. That is 1 plus 3 plus 2. That is equal to how much? 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay, the answer is 6 here. Now again, step 3, add hundreds. add hundreds. That is 5 plus 4. How much? 5 plus 4? Count all of you. 5 plus 4. That is 9. Okay, the answer is 9. Now last, the step 4. Add thousands. What are the digits at the thousand place? That is 2 plus 1. That is equal to how much? 3. This 3. This is how we add the numbers by regrouping. Do you understood, children? I will send you the sums of these chapter in a SLA book. You copy that in your SLA. Now adding 3 numbers. While adding 3 numbers, you have to arrange the numbers in a columns properly in their place, respective place. Now we will add 9 plus 5. How much? That is 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 7 in ones place, and we will carry our 1 to tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, that is 8. Next one, 3 is remaining here. There is nothing to add, so we have written 3 here. Next sum. Here the sums have given, and we have arranged these sums in this pattern. Sorry. Here 45 is first given number, then 7, then 7, 88. Okay. Now add these numbers. 5 plus 7, how much? That is 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 0, carry 2. Now 4 plus 2, how much? 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4, carry 1, that is 8, 40. If you are getting confused, you will add by drawing lines also. Okay, this is how we will add the, now adding by numbers 3. We will add the 3 numbers. Next we will move to the another activity. Next we will move to the properties of addition. What are the properties of addition? That is adding 0. If we add 0 to any number, the answer will remains the same. If we add 0 to the given number, the answer is the number itself. This is the adding 0. Next is adding 1. If we add 1 to the given number, we will get the successor of that number. We will get the number just after to that number. This is the property of adding 1. Next, adding by changing order. Adding by changing order means if 27 plus 135, that is equal to 162. If we change these numbers, 135 plus 27, then also the answer is 162 only. If we write in this way or this way, the answer will not change. The sum will be the same. Next, we will move to the activity 6. That is, we will add by using addition properties. That is, if we add 0 to the 319, then what will be the answer? The answer will be 319. Because if we add 0 to any number, that numbers remain same. Next, if we add 1 to the given number, what we will get? We will get 630. That is successor of this number. We will get the number just after to this number. Next, 436 plus 307 is equal to 307 plus 436. If we add both the numbers, we will get the sum same. Okay? Do you understood? Next we will move to the another topic. Now this is the new topic to you, that is addition, another approach. In this we will add the numbers by 2 types. The first step is adding number by breaking according to their place values. Okay, I will see that. 39 can be written as 30 plus 9. Okay, next 45. 45 can be written as 40 plus 5. Now we will add these numbers, that is 39 plus 45, that is equal to 30 plus 40 plus 9 plus 5. Now 30 plus 40 how much? That is 70 plus 9 plus 5, that is 14. That is equal to how much? 70 plus 14, that is 84. This is how we break the numbers and we add the numbers by using place value. I will see the another example in a activity 5. In a activity 5, these sums are in second main. Okay, we will solve this sum. 62 plus 38. We will break the numbers according to the place value. Next, 62 can be written as 60 plus 2. Then 38 can be written as 30 plus 8. Okay. Now, 62 plus 38 is equal to 60 plus 30 plus 2 plus 8. Now, 60 plus 30 how much? That is 90. 2 plus 8, that is 10. So, the answer is 90 plus 10, that is 100. This is how we add by breaking numbers using the place values. Next, we will move to the another type. Now, another method is add by counting tens. Okay, I will show you how to add by counting tens. First, here the given number is 87 plus 21. What we will do here? 87 plus, we will break the 21, 10 plus 1. Okay, so we have to add by counting tens. We will add 87 plus 10 first, that is 97, plus again we will add 97 plus 10, that is 107 plus 1, that is equal to 108. This is how we will add by counting tens. What we will do first? First we will write the sum, then we keep the first number as usual, then we break the second number in tens, then we go on adding each and every 10 till we get the answer. Okay, I hope children, all of you have understood this. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can call me and I will send you the SLA of these problems, and you have to copy it in a SLA book and send it back to me. Don't go outside to play. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.